Hello students. Next there are some examples on Euler equations. First question, find all solutions of the following equations for x greater than 0. First, x square y double dash plus 2xy dash minus 6y equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with Euler equation, comparing above equation with Euler equation. Euler equation is nothing but the x square y double dash plus ax y dash plus by equal to 0. Now here a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 6, and we know that integral polynomial means characteristic polynomial is the integral polynomial of Euler equation is q of r equal to r into r minus 1 plus ar plus b equal to r into r minus 1 plus a equal to 2r plus b equal to minus 6 equal to r into r minus 1 is r square minus r plus 2r minus 6 equal to r square plus r minus 6. Now equation of integral polynomial q of r equal to 0, r square plus r minus 6 equal to 0. Now find out roots of r is nothing but the r plus 3 r minus 2 equal to 0, which implies r equal to minus 3 or plus 2. Now these two roots are distinct, and we know that if the roots are distinct, then phi1 of x equal to mod x raised to r1, phi2 of x equal to mod x raised to r2. Now given is x greater than 0, so mod x for x greater than 0 is nothing but the x. So phi1 of x equal to x raised to r1 and phi2 of x equal to x raised to r2. Now here r1 equal to minus 3 and r2 equal to 2. r1 equal to minus 3, r2 equal to 2. So phi1 of x equal to x raised to minus 3, phi2 of x equal to x raised to 2. Therefore solution is phi of x equal to c1 phi1 of x plus c2 phi2 of x. c1 into phi1 of x is x raised to minus 3 plus c2 into phi2 of x equal to x square. So phi of x equal to this. Now second equation, x square y double dash minus 5x y dash plus 9y equal to x cube. Here you can see that this is nothing but the non-homogeneous equation. So first find out general solution and then find out particular solution. So first consider homogeneous equation of this equation, x square y double dash minus 5x y dash plus 9y equal to 0, and find out general solution. Now comparing this equation with Euler equation, comparing above equation with Euler equation. Why we comparing this equation with Euler equation? Because here x equal to 0 is nothing but the regular singular point, and in Euler equation x square y double dash plus ax y dash plus by equal to 0. X equal to 0 is also regular singular point. Also this equation is second order and Euler equation is also second order. So we comparing this with Euler equation. So here you can see that a equal to minus 5 and b equal to 9. A equal to minus 5, b equal to 9. So integral polynomial is q of r equal to r into r minus 1 plus a into r plus b equal to r into r minus 1, a is minus 5 r plus b is 9 equal to r square minus r minus 5 r plus 9 equal to r square minus 6 r plus 9. Now equate q of r equal to 0, then we will get the roots of r. R square minus 6r plus 9 equal to 0 implies r minus 3 bracket square equal to 0, because this is nothing but the expansion of r minus 3 bracket square, which implies r equal to 3, 3. So here two roots are equal. So phi 1 of x equal to mod x cube and phi 2 of, for your understanding, first take mod x raised to r1 and phi 2 of x equal to mod x raised to r1 log x for your understanding, and then take r1 equal to 3, and also here x is greater than 0, so mod x equal to x. So phi 1 of x equal to x raised to r1 and phi 2 of x equal to x raised to r1 log x. Okay. Now phi 1 of x equal to x raised to 3, because r1 equal to 3, and phi 2 of x equal to x raised to 3 log x. So general solution is phi of x equal to c1 phi 1 of x plus c2 phi 2 of x equal to c1 x cube plus c2 x cube log x. Now our job to find out particular solution. For particular solution, we used variation of constant method. For using variation of constant method, coefficient of y double dash must be equal to 1. So convert it into 1. So first write down given equation x square y double dash minus 5xy dash plus 9y equal to x cube. Now divide x square on both sides, we get y double dash minus 5x upon x square y dash plus 9 upon x square y equal to x cube upon x square, which implies y double dash minus 5 upon xy dash plus 9 upon x square y equal to x. Now for variation of constant method, we have u1 equal to minus integration phi 2 of x b of x upon Wronskian of phi 1 phi 2 at x dx, and u2 equal to integration phi 1 of x b of x upon Wronskian of phi 1 phi 2 at x dx, and particular solutions IP is u1 phi 1 plus u2 phi 2. Now first find out Wronskian of phi 1 phi 2 at x equal to determinant of phi 1 phi 2 phi 1 dash phi 2 dash. Here phi 1 equal to x cube, phi 2 equal to x cube log x. Phi 1 equal to x cube, phi 2 equal to x cube log x. Now derivative of x cube 3x square, derivative of this 3x square log x plus x cube upon x equal to x cube log x, 3x square log x plus x square equal to, now determinant of this is nothing but the 3x raised to 5 log x plus x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 5 log x get cancelled equal to x raised to 5. So Wronskian of phi 1 phi 2 at x is nothing but the x raised to 5. Now put all the values of phi 2 b of x Wronskian phi 1 in this formula, you will get u1 and u2. So here you can see that b of x is nothing but the x. So we have phi 1 of x equal to x cube, phi 2 of x equal to x cube log x, b of x equal to x, and Wronskian of phi 1 phi 2 at x equal to x raised to 5. So first u1 is minus integration phi to b upon Wronskian dx, and these three function is in the x. So minus integration phi 2 of x is x cube log x, b of x is x upon Wronskian is x raised to 5. X cube into x raised to 4, here x raised to 5. So equal to minus log x upon x dx. Now put t equal to log x. To find out this integration, we get dt equal to 1 upon x dx. So this will become minus integration log x is t, 1 upon x dx is dt. So minus integration t dt is nothing but the minus t square upon 2, and t is nothing but the log x. So put value of t minus log x bracket square or log square x upon 2. So we get u1 equal to minus log square x upon 2. Now u2 equal to integration phi 1 b upon Wronskian dx. Phi 1 is x cube, b of x is x, and Wronskian is x raised to 5 dx equal to 1 upon x dx, and integration of 1 upon dx is log x. So psi p equal to u1 phi 1 plus u2 phi 2 is u1 is minus log square x upon 2, phi 1 is x cube, plus u2 is log x and phi 2 is x cube log x equal to minus x cube log square x upon 2 plus x cube log square x equal to plus x cube log square x upon 2. Particular solution is x cube log square x upon 2. So solution of this equation is nothing but the psi equal to psi p plus c1 phi 1 plus c2 phi 2. Psi p is x cube log square x upon 2 plus c1 phi 1 plus c2 phi 2 is nothing but this c1 x cube plus c2 x cube log x. Now second question, find all solutions of the following equations for mod x greater than 0. In previous question given x greater than 0, and in this question given is mod x greater than 0. So first question is, or first example, x square y double dash minus 3xy dash plus 5y equal to 0. Now you can see that this equation is in the form of Euler equation. So comparing given equation with Euler equation. Comparing given equation with Euler equation, x square y double dash plus axy dash plus by equal to 0. So a equal to minus 3, b equal to 5. So the initial polynomial is, we know that for Euler equation initial polynomial is r into r minus 1 plus a into r plus b equal to r into r minus 1, a is minus 3, r plus b is 5 equal to r square minus r minus 3r plus 5 equal to r square minus 4r plus 5. Now equate q of r equal to 0. So we get r square minus 4r plus 5 equal to 0. Now roots of r is nothing but t, r minus 5 into r plus 1, r minus 5 into r plus 1, not the roots of r. Here you can see that we cannot find two numbers such as their multiplication is plus 5 and addition is minus 4. So we have a formula for this is nothing but the r equal to minus of minus 4 plus minus under root minus 4 bracket square minus 4 a is 1 c is 5 upon 2a equal to 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 20 upon 2 equal to 4 plus minus under root minus 4 upon 2 equal to 4 plus minus 2i upon 2 equal to 2 plus minus r equal to. Now here you can see that r1 equal to 2 plus I, r2 equal to 2 minus I. These two roots are distinct. So when the roots are distinct, we have phi 1 of x equal to mod x raised to r1 and phi 2 of x equal to mod x raised to r2. So here mod x greater than 0, here phi 1 of x equal to mod x take as it is, r1 is 2 plus I and phi 2 of x equal to mod x raised to r2, r2 is 2 minus I. So phi 1 of x equal to mod x raised to 2 and mod x greater than 0, so x square mod x raised to I and phi 2 of x equal to mod x raised to 2 or x square mod x raised to minus I. There is no change of meaning. So solution of given equation phi of x equal to c1 phi 1 of x plus c2 phi 2 of x equal to c1 phi 1 of x is x square mod x raised to I plus c2 phi 2 of x equal to x square mod x raised to minus I. Take x square as common. Remaining terms are c1 mod x raised to I plus c2 mod x raised to minus I. Now second example, x square y double dash plus xy dash plus 4y equal to 1. Now first find out the general solution. For general solution, take homogeneous equation of given equation and then find out particular solution. First consider x square y double dash plus xy dash plus 4y equal to 0. Just a minute. Comparing above equation with Euler equation, x square y double dash plus axy dash plus by equal to 0. So here we get a equal to 1, b equal to 4. Initial polynomial is q of r equal to r into r minus 1 plus ar plus b. R into r minus 1 plus a is 1, so r as it is, plus b is 4 equal to r square minus r plus 4 equal to minus r plus r get cancelled, r square plus 4. Now equate q of r equal to 0 for find out roots of r square plus 4 equal to 0, r square equal to minus 4, so r equal to plus minus 2 r. So r1 equal to 2i, r2 equal to minus 2i. These two roots are distinct. So phi 1 of x equal to mod x raised to r1 and phi 2 of x equal to mod x raised to r2 equal to mod x raised to 2i mod x raised to minus 2i. Here given mod x greater than 0. Now here for particular solution consider x square y double dash plus xy dash plus 4y equal to 1. For using the variation constant method, the coefficient of y double dash must be equal to 1. Now convert the coefficient of y double dash equal to 1. For this, first write down given equation x square y double dash plus xy dash plus 4y equal to 1. Now divide x square on both sides. We get y double dash plus x upon x square y dash plus 4 upon x square y equal to 1 upon x square. Y double dash plus 1 upon x y dash plus 4 upon x square y equal to 1 upon x square. Now b of x equal to 1 upon x square. Now to find out u1 and u2, we must have the Wronskian of phi1 and phi2. First find out Wronskian. Phi1, phi2 at x equal to determinant of phi1, phi2, phi1 dash, phi2 dash, and given is mod x greater than 0. So phi1 of x take x raised to 2i and phi2 of x equal to x raised to minus 2i. Phi1 equal to x raised to 2i, phi2 equal to x raised to minus 2i. Because mod x greater than 0. So x raised to 2i, derivative of these 2i x raised to 2i minus 1 and x raised to minus 2i x raised to minus 2i minus 1 equal to determinant of these equal to minus 2i x raised to 2i into x raised to minus 2i minus 1 minus 2i x raised to minus 2i x raised to 2i minus 1. X raised to 2i x raised to minus 2i get cancelled. So minus 2i x raised to minus 1 minus 2i x raised to minus 1 equal to minus 4i x raised to minus 1. So here we get Wronskian equal to minus, just a minute, minus 4i x raised to minus 1. Now u1 equal to minus integration phi2 of x b of x upon Wronskian of phi1 phi2 at x dx. So u1 equal to minus integration phi2 of x is x raised to minus 2i, b of x is 1 upon x square upon Wronskian is minus 4i x raised to minus 1 dx equal to minus integration x raised to minus 2i minus 4i x square x minus 1 dx equal to minus minus plus integration x raised to minus 2i upon 4i x dx equal to 1 upon 4i integration x raised to minus 2i minus 1 dx equal to 1 upon 4i integration of this is nothing but the x raised to minus 2i upon minus 2i equal to I into minus I is nothing but the plus 1. So 1 upon 8 x raised to minus 2i. u1 equal to 1 upon 8 x raised to minus 2i. Now for u2 of x, u2 equal to integration phi1 of x b of x upon Wronskian of phi1 phi2 at x dx equal to phi1 of x is x raised to 2i, b of x is 1 upon x square, and Wronskian of phi1 phi2 at x is nothing but the minus 4i x raised to minus 1 dx equal to integration x raised to 2i upon minus 4i x raised to minus 1 x square dx equal to take minus 1 upon 4i outside of the integration. Now integration x raised to 2i upon x dx equal to minus 1 upon 4i integration x raised to 2i minus 1 dx equal to integration of this is nothing but the x raised to 2i upon 2i equal to I into I is minus 1. So minus minus become plus 1 upon 8 x raised to 2i u2 equal to. So we get psi p equal to u1 phi1 plus u2 phi2. So u1 is 1 upon 8 x raised to minus 2i, phi1 is x raised to 2i. We have phi1 equal to mod x raised to 2i, but given is mod x greater than 0. So here we take only x plus u2 1 upon 8 x raised to 2i, phi2 is x raised to minus 2i. Get cancel equal to 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 equal to 2 upon 8 equal to 1 upon 4. So psi p equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, phi of x equal to c1 phi 1 plus c2 phi 2 plus, sorry, not of phi 1 of x, psi of x equal to c1 phi 1 plus c2 phi 2 plus psi p. c1 phi 1 is mod x raised to 2i plus c2 phi 2 is mod x raised to minus 2i and psi p is 1 upon 4. Here for psi p mod x greater than 0 given, so we take only x. For only calculate the psi p we consider x, and for phi 1 phi 2 consider mod x. Okay. Now here we stop.